wife material. I don't want you jumping from one man to another.
Okay, sweetheart. I've heard you. But you too, you have to promise me that you'll always be there for me.
You know I've always been there for you, and I will always be there for you.
Okay.
Don't worry, next week I'll have Proctor. We're out of stock at the moment. Alright. Thank you for the Oh, darling. What is it, beautiful woman? Stop, Joe. Look at the time now. Of course, I'm done for the day. Let me get my bag and see. My house keys here. Eh, has your fiancé pick your calls? No, he hasn't. I was about calling him back when that customer came in. Let's see if he'll pick. Okay, then please call him. Let him come and pick because I'm tired. No problem, madam.
Choma, take a good look at me. Do I look like a baby? Don't even deny it. Because from the way that guy looked at us, I could tell that that guy is not your uncle.
He's my uncle! Yes!
You know what? Save that explanation for the monkeys. Rubbish.
Please, just take it easy.
Are you deaf? I said leave me alone! Rubbish.
Tony, what is your problem? Why are you shouting? Why are you talking now?
You want me to descend on you? You want to push me? What rubbish? Dirty things.
Oh dear, also.
Rubbish. Yes?
What is the matter?
Is he not there, Evans? I've been trying to call him since morning. His phone has been switched off.
Evans is your friend. Maybe his phone battery is flat.
Oh, really? Flat?
Yes.
Since morning? Eh? And his phone has been switched off.
Darling, Evans is your friend. Tomorrow you sort it out with him.
Why will he switch off his phone now? Why will he switch off his phone?
Baby, please come back to bed.
Be going, I'm coming. Let me just, I need to pass across the message to him. I'm coming. But will Choma switch off her phone now, eh?
I want to confess my God. I fell in love with you the day I saw you dance and wiggle and stylistically, dramatically danced in the last celebration of our New York festival.
So what are you driving at?
What I'm driving at is this, that you can equally become my companion.
What do you mean by being your companion, can I ask?
What I mean is that
If what? Whoever told you I can ever have anything to do with an old man like you? You're too old for my liking. Nonsense.
Amaka? 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 Hey! Ukwu nwaanyị atọ kwa ụkwa, including mmiri ụkwa. Eh? Ukwu nwaanyị atọ kwa ụkwa, including mmiri ụkwa. Eh? Why should Amaka say I'm old? Look at how strong and young I'm looking. I can dance every dance. Eh? See? Ow! Oh. Boom! Eh? Oh, see this one? Yeah! I can do all. Come and challenge me. I'm equal to the task. Eh? You! Oh! Yo!
Believe me, my phone went off and there was no light.
And who was that guy I saw you with at the boutique yesterday?
He's just a friend.
Just a friend?
Yes.
So you went home with him last night?
Ah, sweetheart. How can I go home with him? I didn't. Please. My love, you're the only one I want. I don't ever want to. Please, leave me.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure. Look at him. I'm sure. I'm sorry, please. Look at your mouth to say.
Honestly, Laura, this is very, very funny. I think it's because of those late nights, like Hollywood, those funny ones. That is the reason why you had this dream. Ah! Nkechi knows. That dream was so... So what?
Mr. Man, excuse me. Listen to me. Look, this your red eyes may be as a result of the India hemp you just smoked. Okay? So please, just get out of my side. I said leave. I want to enter into my car. Excuse me. What? Are you crazy? Are you stupid? How dare you throw away the food I bought for my choma? Are you crazy?
Leave Chioma alone. Leave Chioma alone. Or I, Willie, will kill you.
Now I know you are very stupid. You must be insane. You must be crazy. What the hell do you think you are? Eh? My friend, will you get out of here and let me get out of this place? How dare you just come and stand in front of my car and telling me that I should leave Chioma alone? You must be very stupid.
Thank God it's an ordinary dream. Have you eaten? You're still talking about food. If you've not eaten, I have bread and tea. Please leave me alone. Leave me! What is it?
You are mine. And I'm not ready to share you with any mortal.
That's a lie. I have my life to live. Stop tormenting me. What have I done to you? What?
Chioma, you are mine.
I am not yours.
You are mine.
I am not yours. Just leave me alone. Get out of my life. Leave me. Just...
So, where is he? Where is he? Where is that idiot that is sharing my Chioma with me? So, you have started cheating. You're dating someone else.
I'm not saying...
You're not what? Who are you talking to? Give me that phone. Give me that phone now. Here, talking with another man. I heard you. I heard you. So, you are going to delete the previous chat. Eh? You deleted the previous caller. Chioma.
Darling. What is going on? I just passed through the dining now. I thought maybe you must have finished your food by now. Are you okay?
Fine, I'll eat the food later.
When? My love. I know you. I've known you for more than 1 year now. This is not you. Talk to me. What is going on? What is bothering you?
I'm fine. It's just that...
What's wrong? Honey. Honey, are you okay?
No. I've been having strange feelings for days now. I need to see a doctor.
Okay, let me take you to the hospital then. Yeah?
Alright.
Okay, come, let me get the cake.
Kechi, calm down. You know, I had to wait till break time before I could come and see you, eh? I'm confused. I'm so confused. Just take this. Take it. Wow! Congratulations, my friend. Yeah, this is good news. Wow. I wish. Congrats. How do I tell Robert? Explain. Turn your head upside down to explain to Robert. Flora, see, you don't understand me. He's a principled man. Now that we've not gotten married, I am pregnant. He might get angry. Angry? Why? He believes marriage before making children. My dear, no, it's not like you guys are playing Aki-Panky. You're no longer a child. It's your boyfriend, and he's going to marry you. He's your fiancé. It's because you don't know Robert. Robert is too principled to corner. You can't corner him. My darling, I've been trying to reach you since. I've not been taking your calls.
Oh, I'm so sorry, dear. I'm very sorry. I just heard the phone ring when I picked it up.
Alright.
You've been calling since?
Yes. My friend left because she couldn't wait anymore. She had somewhere going.
I'm sorry, darling. I'm sorry.
Alright, no problem. How's your day been?
Fine. And yours?
Good.
You miss me?
Yes, darling.
It's okay.
What about the money you promised me for my school fees? You know our exam is fast approaching and I need to pay for my school fees so I can my meet and
come on. Save me the stories. You have it.
For real? I love you.
You know what?
What?
Let's say first thing tomorrow morning, I have this money transferred to your account.
Seriously? Oh my God, just take it to your room.
Come on.
So, my daughter, you're welcome once again.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Papa.
How is your boutique business?
Papa, is there all people buy or they buy on credit?
If you have pity on them, it's not easy to buy these days. Just ensure they give you advance payment.
Of course, Papa.
And pray for them to give you balance later. People cannot go nude because our country is hard.
Papa, that's true.
Okay. Uche!
Yes, Papa.
Come.
Papa is everything.
Everything is fine as you can see.
Sister!
Jenna, good to see you. Look at my big brother.
So what did you buy for me now?
Everything.
Have you finished the assignment I gave you?
No, Papa.
What do you mean? What do you mean no? Since 4 hours ago I gave you assignment. Will you go back and finish it up? Don't finish it up.
Papa, it's okay, relax.
Including the middle.
Papa, relax, Papa.
Including the middle. Nkechi, sometimes I wonder if this boy, your younger brother, is really my son.
Papa,
I imagine that the midwife must have given him to me mistakenly after your mother's death.
Papa, Biko.
That's where my mind always goes whenever he fools.
Papa, don't forget that Uchenna is your son and he's my brother too.
And so what? Anybody who is from my blood must behave like me. Decent behavior. Nobody is lazy coming from me.
All right, Papa. Please forgive him.
Okay. What of Robert?
It's fine.
Does he know about this your pregnancy?
Yes, Papa. He's aware. But just that he traveled. He said when he returns back, they'll come and see you proper.
Nkechi, you are no longer a baby. You're very matured. Make sure when he returns, he fulfills all traditional ceremonies about marriage. Otherwise, you look like what they call Nagano, a girl who got pregnant living with her father. It wouldn't be good for our image. Do you understand?
I understand.
So once he returns, tell him this is a duty he must tackle immediately.
He will. He promised he will. He's a man of his word.
Very good, very good. So what of your sister?
My sister is fine. I spoke to her this morning. She said she's writing her exams.
Okay, let her work hard and pass her exams. If you pass your exams, you become somebody in future. You look for job, you get job. You know, your future is ensured when you are educated. Yes. Tell her is what I'm telling her.
Yes, Papa.
And I go, oh?
Papa, don't you trust Choma?
Okay.
Smart and intelligent. As for the pregnancy, before he starts showing, he will come and do the right thing.
My daughter is showing already. All right.
All right, Papa, let me see what you do.
Go ahead.
I'm coming.
See, I have to work out things together. Was it? I will.
Phone. What is it? I'm in trouble. Trouble. Big trouble. What trouble is that? Nkechi is pregnant for me. What? Is that what you call trouble? Oh boy! That's good news! Chioma is also pregnant. Oh boy! Good news times 2! No, which kind of nonsense is this now? Yeah, I'm not joking. Okay, stop joking at all. I don't want one, and you are telling me good news times 2. Please, Evans, I'm serious. This is a big problem. Eh? How can the both of them be pregnant for me? Problem? What's the problem? Is that what you call problem? The problem is that Nkechi's father has asked me to come to the village and make arrangements for the traditional marriage.
Oh, and so, what about Chioma's pregnancy? Oh, but talk to me now. You they look me like wood with a cap. Eh? This one, you graduate with distinction now. Eh? This one, first last resort. Oh, but you play and you score.
Darling.
Yeah.
That reminds me. My sister called me that she will be coming tomorrow. You know, next week is our introduction.
Yeah.
I'd love for you guys to meet before then.
That's cool. That's cool. You know you were supposed to show me her picture before.
Yeah, I know. But she hadn't taken pictures. What do I do? Let's just wait for you to finally meet her in person.
Sure. I just have to fix the guest room for my sister-in-law to be.
Thanks, thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Madam, are you traveling?
My dear, I'm traveling to see my sister.
Oh, Sister Igechi.
Hey, master, I got you. Show what's up. You seem to be going out too.
Yes.
Hey, yeah, miss you, man.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Okay. But you have to call me in case you need anything. Safe journey. Safe journey, guys. Bye.
All right, now, Chioma, safe trip.
Take care.
All right.
This is Robert, my fiancé. Hi.
Hello. This must be your sister.
Yes, Choma. What is it? She's talking to you. Hello, darling.
Okay, yes. Why don't we all come inside?
All right.
Honey.
Please. Honey. I'm here, darling. Please, madam. Say something.
What's the matter?
Darling, just take a look at Choma. Only God knows why she's crying.
Choma, what's wrong?
Choma, say something, please.
Honey, please excuse us. Let me talk to her.
Alright, well, I have to rush down to the boutique. I wasn't there yesterday. No problem. Just relax. Take care of my sister. I'll call you. Alright. Sweetheart, please just please. I'll call you.
Honey, the key. Oh, you're going to use the other place, right? So you're okay?
Yes.
Choma, why are you doing this to yourself? Why are you doing this to me? To us?
You're just wicked. You're a wicked person.
I'm sorry. How is this supposed to engage your sister?
Just
you
shut
never told me anything.
Hold it there. Just hold it. Have you ever cared to listen? Each time I want to tell you about my family. Have you? All you've ever cared was my body. To devour my body. Just shut up! Shut up! I accused and left Stanley, all because of you.
Sorry.
Just shut up! I had to abort my own child, my baby, for you. What's more? What's more? What's more?
Hey, my love, Amaka. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Janet. See, Amaka, why don't you like me? Eh? Am I not handsome enough? Look at me, very attractive. Yeah. Listen, I love you. I want to marry you. And I promise you, you will not regret it.
Look here, old man. Am I not your daughter's age mate? Are you not old enough to be my father?
No! The man you're seeing here is not old. I can surprise you everywhere, especially on bed.
Mimi, I don't have time for this kind of talk this morning. Nonsense.
Now, don't worry. I promise me. I'm going to convince her. Don't worry.
Janet, if you achieve this for me, I'll make you proud.
Promise. Okay.
Oh.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Hey! Ukwu nwaanyị atọ ọkwa ụkwa, including mmiri ụkwa. Ukwu nwaanyị atọ ọkwa ụkwa, including mmiri ụkwa. I know she will overcome it. She'll overcome it.
Okay, what's wrong with you? Just wait for me now. Just wait for me.
Wait for you for what? Wait for you for what? You are his baby now. I even saw you collecting something from him.
Me? No, I didn't collect anything for him. He was asking me to beg you, so you accept him. That's all.
I am not interested. I cannot marry him. He is too old for me.
See, Amaka, that man you saying there loves you. He truly loves you. Just accept it. Say yes to him. Please.
My dear, I said I am not interested. You can go ahead and marry him.
Are you feel cool?
Yes.
Is that what you said?
Yes, you heard me.
So, Badro, no problem. Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
Wahala.
So, Nkechi, what do you say is wrong with your sister?
I can't tell, my dear. But all I could say is she's always keeping to herself. She will lock herself indoors. Sometimes she's just even snobbish. I'll talk to her, she won't even pay attention to me.
You worry too much about irrelevant things and, you know.
Irrelevant, you say?
Yeah.
Have you forgotten she's my only sister? Please. I have to be concerned about her welfare. I just have to.
Okay. That's easy. What you do is you watch her closely to see if she has issues with her boyfriend, you know.
Her boyfriend? Come on. A guy who has not even married her. Somebody who has not even proposed to her. Impossible, my darling. She shouldn't kill herself over a guy just like that. I don't think so. I think there's more to it. I just think there's more to that. Thanks so much for the ride.
Welcome always, my dear.
I'll be getting down from there. I just want to get a few things before I get to the show.
Okay, no problem. I'll drop you.
What is it? What is going on, Choma?
What is what?
Why are you like this? Why are you so moody?
Sister, there is no problem. I am fine.
Are you sure? Since you came here, you've been like this. Your mood has changed. Why? Choma, please just say something to me, please. I beg you.
Oh my God.
Did I offend you?
What's the meaning of all this?
I just said I am fine. Okay, I want to be left alone. Please. Why? Choma. Oh God. What is this? What have I done? Choma.
But Ichi, Amaka is not the only pretty girl in this village. Why not check elsewhere?
You are right, my daughter.
I am not your daughter. Stop calling me your daughter. You have to look elsewhere. Yes.
Where else will I look?
You have to look elsewhere, my love. You know where to look, my love.
What did you just call me?
My love, of course. See, from the very first day I set my eyes on you, I started loving you. Are you okay?
But Amaka is your close friend. Eh?
You're right, CJ. But she willingly gave me to you. Yes.
Amaka gave you to me.
I see. One thing I like about you, you are the only boy in this village, the only guy that is looking flashy. Una, you know I'm a city boy. I know. That's why I like you. I don't know. You know, we are very good friends. And whenever you go to the city, you always buy me bossas or easy gear.
Because you are my friend. And you know you are my friend.
Of course.
I will always buy you bossas.
Of course. If there is something that is bothering my mind. And I cannot just see anything that is going wrong, especially when you're my friend. With my two naked eyes, I'll see it and my mouth will be closed. Especially if the situation concerns you, my friend. Chidi, I'm listening to you.
If there is problem, tell me.
Of course, I will tell you. But I hope you will not be angry with me.
I will not be angry. You know you are my friend.
Okay. See, with my two naked eyes, I saw your girlfriend, Janet, with Mazi Ibuka. They were busy kissing like this. Kissing. Mazi Ibuka was romancing her, and she was feeling it. Even
Chidi, if you play with me, I won't give you money.
I'm not playing with you.
Oh, now don't joke with me.
No. If they were even giving themselves food, they were sharing food together, mouth to mouth. If you think I'm lying, let's go and see it now.
If you lie, I won't buy you something again.
That is what I'm telling you this to.
I won't give you money.
Oh, if you think I'm lying, let us go and see it now, very close to Emeka's house. Let's go. If you are doubting me, I saw with my two naked eyes.
And then we can talk about marriage.
It doesn't matter. After all, there are lots of married women in high institutions.
Jump. Why don't you finish your school and then we'll talk about that? And let's focus on the main reason we're here.
This one is also important. Very important. See, you need to act faster because if someone else should just come and propose, I will marry the person.
Huh? See, I will kill that man and make sure I kill anybody. Is that what you're supposed to be telling me? Is that what you're supposed to be telling me?
Oh my God. Chairman, I think you and this your so-called boyfriend are not serious.
And so what? Just leave us alone. What is it? Is that why you're threatening his life? Leave him alone! Please stop it! What is it?
Honestly, Chairman, I am disappointed at you. I mean, after all that I have done for you, and you have the guts to accuse me wrongly.
What have you done? What did you do for me that no one else has done for somebody? What is it? What have you done?
Will you shut that thing?
No, you shut up! Just shut it!
I see. So, because of those silly things that so-called guy gives you, that's why you have the guts to put up this attitude.
Shut up and leave my room now. If you don't leave, I will push you out.
Really? I'll leave. I pity you.
Pity for yourself, you
Nonsense.
your shameless thing. Look at him. How much did you even spend on me? You're bragging about it. Look at where I'm staying. Is this where I'm supposed to stay? And you're telling me you've spent this, you've spent that. Useless. I'm not fair. Oh, sweetheart. Yeah. When next you'll be traveling to South Africa, I'd love to go with you.
Of course. I missed you so much.
I miss you too. Jimmy, funny enough, my sister's fiancé.
Oh, honey, let's not talk about your sister's fiancé, okay? Let's talk about us, okay?
And then my father also said.
You told me that your dad is alright, okay? Let's talk about us. I missed you.
Miss too.
I really don't think this young man will solve
I thought you loved me. Why are you doing all this to me?
Of course I love you. Hey, but you're not a graduate yet.
Please just stop it. Stop it. All I want to hear now is the solution to this pregnancy.
Okay. The simple solution is that we have to find a solution to it. You know, until I'm ready to father a child.
You're not insinuating abortion.
Something like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You just have to do something about this before it's too late. Until I'm ready to father a child. Please. I love you.
No, you don't.
Of course I do.
You don't. You don't love me.
Chidi.
What took you so long?
My dear, you won't believe it too. You remember that old fool, Mazi Ebuka?
Mazi Ebuka, yeah?
That old man said he wants to marry me in this village. Me and Maka.
Chineke! Mazi Ebuka?
Yes.
He's speaking again.
He wants to marry me and Maka in this village.
In this village?
Yes.
I know them again. I'm going to kill Mazi Ebuka.
No. Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Mazi Ebuka was speaking again.
Yes.
Did he touch you?
No, he didn't touch me.
He didn't touch you?
No, he didn't.
He touched you?
No, he did not touch you.
He did not touch you?
He did not touch you.
Yeah, he finished it.
No.
Mazi Ebuka finished it.
No, he didn't do anything. I told him.
Chineke! Morning, Monica.
What's up?
I'm fine. You see around?
Yes, I'm around now.
Oh, Monica. You know when you are walking this summer. Monica, there is something I want to tell you on this one.
Tell me now.
Monica, I love you. I just want you to be my girlfriend.
You are making me to laugh. What of Janet?
Janet? Leave Janet. Janet is a very, very useless girl. She's not a whole cargo. She follow old man.
Really?
Yes, because of money. Monica, let's leave Janet alone. Let's talk about ourselves. Eh?
Oh, I know you are joking. Okay, I will think about it, okay?
Monica, please.
Let me think
about it. You don't even need to think about it. Just tell me yes.
Let me think about it.
Chioma, look at you. Look at you. You're looking so lean and thin. It's obvious you've been crying again.
Robert has done the worst to me.
What has it done this time around? I thought you're no longer dating him.
I just want to forget this topic now. Let's just forget this topic. I don't know. I think I may go back to school.
May?
Yes.
May? May, you say? You better go back to Stanley and beg him.
What if he doesn't accept me?
Sweetheart, you're a pretty girl. If Stanley and Robert doesn't accept you, let them be. They're not the only men in this world. Please, let them be and move on with your life.
Wow, it's been a while. Where have you been? I've been around. Where have you been?
Well, I've been in this village, but just that I've been busy.
You've been busy.
Yeah.
So you've been busy with Mazi Ejike, right?
I don't understand. I don't get it. What do you mean?
I mean you've been sleeping with Mazi Ejike.
Anyway, I won't deny it. I won't. Like, seriously, I will not. Just that. Do you know why I did that? Because he's too old for you and me. And come to think of it, Amaka, I really like that man. No, I really do.
Are you serious? You are supposed to be my friend. Janet, you're supposed to be my friend and you're stabbing me in the back.
Stabbing you, you said? Why would you say that? How? How did I stab you at your back?
Janet, how could you? How could you do this to me? We are meant to be friends for goodness sake.
You said you don't want him, that I should go for him. Could you remember?
So I don't need him. The best thing for you to do is to go after him.
Because you don't want him. Anyway, I don't have time to battle words with you. I have some important things to do.
Serious?
No. Che. So men can be so mean.
Nigel, you want to believe this? Robert is now loaded.
Wait. You mean he's richer than Stanley?
I can't really tell, but the truth is, he's doing well. It's life.
I understand how you feel.
It's life.
Just take it easy. Oh, wow. Have you heard from your sister?
No, I've not switched on my phone since then.
Why? Choma, you can't avoid her forever. She's your sister. Blood is thicker than water. Please. Stop preaching. It's okay. No, for real. You have to switch on your phone.
I don't know what this Ifeanyi is still doing inside right now. Ifeanyi! 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 What are you still doing inside right now?
This one that you are dressed like this, are you celebrating?
No, that's not the issue. That's not the issue now. Do you want the youth to feel the rights that you're going to give to we, the community chairman?
Are you celebrating party in the village?
Ifeanyi, are you not aware that a man has a Ibuka daughter is getting married today?
Una, don't mention that name in this house again.
Why?
Don't mention the name in my house again.
Why?
Are you not aware that that the same Mazi Ibuka, he took my wife from me?
Oh, I forgot.
Una, don't mention that name again in this house.
But see, the rice they are cooking. I passed the use now. The rice is so, the scent is too much.
You know me, I'm from the city. I have money. If you are going, you can go. Me, I am not going with you. Una, I would have loved to. I am not going with you. The man is a bad man.
Ndiaga kwenu? Kwenu? Where's Wenu? Ndiba kwenu? Kwenu? Where's Wenu? People say you go. Which means the kite has positioned for the hunter to do what? To shoot. Our in-laws are here. It gives me great joy because no father gets a daughter and eventually marry his daughter. As far as we are concerned, it's an abomination. As we used to do it, my wife, if she were here, would have gone to bring the daughter. But as you know, I lost my wife. So in place of her, I'm going to delegate my son Uche to go and bring Nkechi. Uche?
Yes, Papa.
Go and bring your sister Nkechi. Tell her the in-laws are waiting. Huh? Hurry up, because I'm going home to a far place, so.
My phone is switched off. What? Please. Why would Choma switch off her phone now? Eh? Today of all days. I guess it's the network. But why did she come with you to the village? My sister, see me. I asked her to follow us. She refused. You know how she does her things now. She thinks she's smarter than every other person. Please, damn it again, please. Maybe it's actually network. What's happening now? Choma is here.
No, Papa said I should come and call you that the others are waiting for you.
You see? Hey. But you said it's okay just now. What are you still bobbing?
Let's go and meet them.
No, let's meet it. Let's meet it well, please.
Nkechi? Ukwu nwaanyị atọ ka ụkwa, including mmiri ụkwa. Nkechi?